The purpose of my laptop and my diary is solely for the purpose to look smart. But the reality of it is that I don't know what I'm talking about most of the time. Hey guys, my name's Daniela and I post videos once a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and also share this with a friend because they might think I'm a whole vibe as well as you and they might want to come back and see more. And hit the notification bell because then you'll also never miss a video as well. So yeah, do all of that stuff and let's get into the video. So my goal this year is to make 40k by 40. I'm going to be 40 in August, so I mean, I don't have that much time. It's the end of August. It gives me another 27 days, give or take. But 40k. Not just 40k financially, because I mean, I'm setting the bar a little bit low, if I'm being honest. I feel like my aim for the year is higher than that. But 40k by 40 just flows, so we're going with it. But it's like 40k financially, like making money doing brand deals. 40k subscribers on my YouTube. So thanks for being here and watching this. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button because we're on this journey, guys. We've got to do this together. Like, help me. 40k followers on Instagram, even though Instagram, I mean, we're having a bit of a love-hate relationship at the moment. It's difficult. It's difficult. It's a situationship. And then 40k on TikTok. And I feel like the 40k on TikTok is a lot more seeable and doable than the Instagram. However, no negative vibes, no bad vibes, no actually vibes here, positivity. We can do this, guys. We can do this. So my stats at the moment are, I've actually got them down. I've got them down. Bear with. Let's find these. Hello? Okay, my battery's low. They're connected. It should be on here as well. Like, this is embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Walks. On TikTok, I currently have 12,000.1k followers. So I have 38k to go. We can do this, guys. The goal is just to talk about things that my people want to hear about. So to be honest, with my TikTok, I was considering making it about this journey of 40k before 40, and the goal of kind of getting to 40. Like, what is that? Like, I feel really young at heart. I'm a bit dorky. So how does a 40-year-old act? Like, so I feel like that could be quite a fun journey to talk about, as well as that I am an upcyclist. I do content creation with amazing transitions, and I'm all about positive vibes. So I've got a few avenues. So I'm trying to streamline what I'm gonna be doing on TikTok and just make sure that it's vibing with my followers. So my Instagram is really fluctuating at the moment, and I'm on 6,162. It has gone down by about maybe 30 because I was practically nearly on 6,200. But I think what's happened at the beginning of the year, a lot of people have a clear out just of people that they're not really resonating with online. So that's perfectly fine. I've had a clear out myself. I've kind of gone through, and people that don't post, maybe haven't posted in 2-3 years, you're definitely not active or you don't engage with my content. And some people, their content has changed. I've just kind of deleted them. And I'm pretty sure there are some people who on their Instagram, they've sold their platforms. I'm like, when did that happen? So anyway, my YouTube, let's see, where am I at on YouTube? Where am I at? 232 subscribers. And so far to date, the money that I've made content creating in 2 brand deals has been 2.2k. So yeah, I mean, I've not done too bad. Each brand paid me £1,000, one paid me a little bit more. So, I mean, quick maths, that means that if I can, like, let's say average, I'm getting 1k per brand deal. If I've got 38 more brands to make 40k. Split that, we've got 8 more months. That's like, what did I say? 38 divided by 8. Quick maths, I said, quick maths. Hey Siri, what's 38 divided by 8?
38 divided by 8 is 4.75.
Okay, so that's like, okay, so that's like 5k a month. Oh my God, I could have figured that out myself. I could have figured that out. Yeah, anyway, it's embarrassing. Okay, so 5k per month. We're mid-January, so... Hey, Siri. What's 38 divided by 7?
38 divided by 7 is about 5.4285.
So it's 5.5k per month. It's doable, it's doable. So, question is, how am I going to do it? So the goal is on each of those platforms that I've mentioned that I'm going to use to leverage is really just by serving my audience. But we kind of get lost in this, I have to serve, I have to do this for my audience. The key is doing it for yourself. And by doing it for yourself, you are going to serve your audience. You're going to give them what they want to see. Like, what are they vibing with? What are people already following me for? What is it that I'm good at? So I know what I'm good at. I know what I do. Everything. But it's just kind of, focusing on that as long as I enjoy it. Because what can happen with social media is we kind of get caught up in this loop of doing what everyone wants us to do, and then sometimes sitting back and being like, wait, am I even enjoying this? Is this fun for me? Have fun with it, because that energy is transferred. Like when I watch YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, I am vibing with someone's energy through this camera. Like, I want people to be able to watch my videos and catch my energy and be like, this girl gives me life. I mean, is the camera even on? Is it even? Yeah, we're still recording. Like, this is typical Danny. And that's all I can be is myself. So by being me on my platforms, showing what I am happy to show, what fills my life and just gives me joy, and sharing that with you guys, I'm gonna grow. And if I don't, then no one gives a shit. And we need to rethink it, right? I guess. But why wouldn't they? I'm a whole vibe. I'm a vibe, guys. I'm a vibe. Tell me I'm not a vibe. And if you tell me I'm not a vibe, you're a hater. I mean, so it's up to you. But comment something. Just comment how much of a vibe I am. So, utilising my platforms, what am I going to use to do this? I mean, at the moment, I'm recording on my old Huawei phone. I have my ring light, my tripod. I've got all the gear, all the idea, and whatever ideas I don't have, I just Google it. But I will be vlogging probably a lot more, like kind of, especially on my TikTok, I'll be doing some vlogs, which is good because you can just do them normally. But I have a DJI Pocket camera, which I love it. It's amazing. I don't use it as much as I can, but I really just want to kind of do more of the family vlogs on there. I can record my videos on there. It's a really, really cool camera actually. And I got the one that I got it with all the accessories. So I've got like the lapel. Is it even called a lapel? Am I making words up? I probably am. I've got the little mic that kind of sits on your clothes as well, that catches the sound and all of that. I'll be doing a lot of behind the scenes, because I know something with what I do is a lot of my followers that I have on Instagram, they want to see the behind the scenes. They want to see me making an outfit, upcycling an outfit. And whereas I'm going to be doing a lot more brand deals, and some of the brand deals will probably be me showcasing sustainable things that I use, but also doing brand collaborations where I'm upcycling a brand's old dead stock that they don't use. So I'll have a lot more behind the scenes, because we got 5.5k per month to make, guys. By 40. I can't believe I'm going to be 40. I'm actually quite excited about becoming 40. Like, you know, okay. You know when I'm like, I look good for nearly 40. Like, I'm already saying it. So imagine when I turn 40, I'm going to be like, I look good for 40. And I know that sounds like, wow, you're up in your ass. But when you know, you know. Like, I get asked for ID legit. Like, my son's 15. He's taller than me. Like, and we walked into the doctor's surgery the other day. And, because he had an appointment. And the doctor said, oh, you brought your sister. Doc, are you joking? Are you joking, Doc? Like, I've had alcohol taken away from me because the shop is like, Asda's was like, I'm like, babes, I used to work here when you was probably a baby, but you know what? I'm gassed. Take my alcohol. I don't care, innit? I don't care. Take it because you've made my day, but now I have to go to my corner shop and spend about £2 extra to get this bottle. But whatever. Anyway, that's enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me commit to this journey of 40k by 40, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Share this video with someone who maybe is also about to be 40 this year, and we can be on this 40k to 40 challenge together. I will get a little bit jealous if they get there before me, but we can all grow together. And we can share, and they can share their tips with me because they might know more than me. So yeah, share this video. I'm really gassed. I'm gassed for this journey. My main focus is commit, Dan. Post this video. Keep posting videos. Every week I'm going to be posting videos once a week on this platform, unless I don't. So the goal is just commit, and whatever your goal is this year, whether it's a fun goal, a serious goal, whatever it is, let's just make sure we commit to it. Let's set ourselves up to win and bust the thing up. You see me? Guys, I'll see you next week for another episode. What? Another episode? That's wrong thing. Guys, I'll see you next week.